Hey, welcome back to 2-Minute How-To. Today I'm going to show you how to paint these pesky popcorn ceilings. Let's get right to it. First thing you want to do is you want to have a good 3/4 inch nap roller. Okay, that is key. 3/4 inch nap roller is going to allow you to get a lot of paint on the roller and push it in there really good. And if you have a good high quality paint, you're only going to have to paint this ceiling one time. Get a lot of paint on your roller. Go over it several times. And to get around that edge, roll up as close as you can to the corner of where your ceiling meets your wall. Get as close as you can, and then get you a paintbrush and just cut it in right next to the edge of the corner. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.